Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Devdas Nikam. So today's date 18 May 2022. So I am going to explain on today's video topic checked and unchecked exception handling in Java programming language. So firstly I can explain the what is a checked and what is a unchecked exception handling, and why using a Java programming language use a check and unchecked exception handling, and what are the types of exception checked and unchecked exception handling. Firstly I can explain the exception handling. Exception handling is a abnormal condition, so it's called as the exception handling. And exception handling is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime error will be occurring. Then the normal flow will be also disturbed. Then we occurrence the exception handling. It's called as exception handling. So exception handling, there are two types of exception handling. First one is a checked exception handling and unchecked exception handling. But exception and error will be extended to the throwable class. So throwable class is a parent class of exception handling. So all classes we also handle the all exception. We can also access to the object class, so it's handle the exception handling in object class. Checked exception handling. So checked exception handling will be occurring to the compile time exception will be occurring. So it's compile time exception occurring. Then the compile time is also exception occurring to the IO exception, SQL exception, last not found exception. There will be exception is occurrence in a compile time exception. It's called as a compiled. It's called as a checked exception handling, and another one is a unchecked exception handling. So unchecked exception handling will be occurrence to the runtime. Runtime will be occurrence. It's called as a unchecked exception handling. So unchecked exception handling will be occurrence then the array index bound arithmetical exception, string out of bound exception will be occurrence in a runtime exception. So it's called as a unchecked exception. And another one is will be error exception. So error exception will be stack out of stack overflow and virtual memory. We also there are 2-3 error exception occurrence. So it's called as a error. So we can I can explain the one example of checked exception handling and unchecked exception handling. So we can perform the task in your laptop. Then we can open the word. Then we can open the word. Then we can work. Then will be also task assigned. Then we perform the task. But we can perform the task. Then the laptop will be shut down. So it's a compile time exception occurrence, and another one is a runtime exception. So will we work to the laptop and in our mobile. So we can our laptop is a shutdown. Then you can work perform. Then the light is off. Then the is also runtime exception will be occurrence. So it's called as a unchecked exception handling. It's exception handling. We also use to the Java lang package. We are also using exception handling. It's called as exception handling in Java programming language. Checked and unchecked exception handling. There are 5 keywords also used in exception handling: try, catch, finally, throws, and throw. So will be occurrence to the exception in risk report. Then we can use to the try block. Then we also exception is already occurrence. Then we catch the exception. We can use the catch exception. Then we anyhow condition we can execute the we can execute the you can execute your program. Then we also use to the finally final block will be also used. Anyhow condition will be run as a final block. So it's all about the exception handling and checked and unchecked exception handling. So thank you for watching.